motorcycle, popularly known as Okada, is one of the major means of transportation in Lagos State. We had a chat with one of the operators, whose name is Mahmood.
My name is Mahmood. I come from Maiduguri. I come do Okada business for Lagos.
Mahmood came all the way from Maiduguri to Lagos to fend for his family.
I don't marry. I have 4 children. My wife is there for village.
Mahmood has 4 children and his wife is in the village.
See like a 15 passenger. In the morning, in the evening, I go see like 15 passenger.
Mahmood tells us that he carries approximately 15 passengers in the morning and in the evening of each day.
3,000 I go see, sometimes 2,005.
Mahmood says he makes approximately 2,005 to 3,000 naira in a day.
The same to say the fear I'm the thief. Sometimes we go follow you for Okada. They come carry gun, we go follow you for back. Because that one the fear, the thief.
Mahmood shares his fears about armed robbers who rob bikes at night and collect their bikes.
Now, I buy them 275. 275.
When we asked him how much he bought his bike, he said he bought it for 275,000 naira.
I know if you go far, I go work for that street area. I know if you, because the governor work. You know, say I know if you follow express. I go work for area for inside street.
Due to government restrictions, bikes can only move within local areas and streets. They are not allowed on major roads and express.